welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Connectware fried egg shaper. So basically these are fancy egg shapers basically which you get to give different shapes to the fried egg. To make it more interesting looking than a normal sunny side up, you can actually make them into amazing shapes. And I purchased it from Amazon, and today I'm going to review it. So here we have the fried egg shaper, and it's a pack of 11 pieces that I have here, which comes with various shapes that we have here. So first of all, let me show you all the different shapes that we get. One is this pony shape, which is a horse basically. Here we have it. Then we have this heart with an arrow. Then we get this elephant shape as well. So there's an elephant shape as well here. The chicken shaped one as well right here. You have the chicken shaped one. We have the apple shaped one as well. So there's one with the apple shape on it. So let me just show it to you all. This is the apple shaped one. Then what we have more? Then we have a normal heart shape one, normal heart without the arrow, normal heart shape. Here's a floral shape, the flower shaped one. Then we have the star shaped one. And finally one we have is a circle shape, the perfect circle Poshtec one. So this is circle shape. And in total we have got around say 9 shapes. We have a total of 9 shapes that we got here. And apart from the shapes, we got 9 shapes. And apart from the shapes, what we got is this silicone brush, oil brush that we have here. We also got this egg white separator or the egg yolk separator. Basically, you can use it to separate the egg yolk if you want only to prepare egg white. So this is what we get, an extra thing as well in it. So this is the total 11 pieces that I spoke about. So we have 9 different shapes to make different various shaped fried eggs. And then we have the silicone brush and this yolk separator, egg white or egg yolk separator that we call it. So an amazing product. Now let's look at the quality of the product. So if I look at it, it is made out of stainless steel, completely made out of stainless steel, which is very durable. And amazing thing is it has this plastic handle which doesn't get heated up, so you can easily place it and easily remove it off when you want to fry. So here we have the star shape here and multiple other shapes, and every shape is made out of stainless steel, and it has this green plastic thing on top so that you can easily catch it, right, and place it on the frying pan. Now I tried it out, and the egg gets the shape, but a lot of egg kind of seeps through the bottom as well, so you won't have that perfect shape, but somewhat the shape comes. You'll have to cut out the egg, the outer part at least. So maybe it's because my frying pan isn't completely flat, or maybe these shapes aren't completely flat. So if I look at it, it's a bit up down kind of a thing, so it doesn't completely serve the purpose of the giving the shape, because the egg ends up seeping through the bottom as well. So mostly the shape comes, but it also seeps through, so you'll have to cut off that part and then you'll get the final shape of the egg that you desire. So I'm going to quickly show you all how it looks. Like, we'll quickly fry one egg. And which shape should we try? I've already tried the pony shape. The egg seeps out. I want to try today. Let's go ahead and try making the star shaped egg. Let's see how does that come out. This looks pretty flat to me, and I hope the egg doesn't seep out. So today we'll try and create a star shaped egg, fried egg. So let's go ahead and try that out.